I did in computer first period. Okay, so listen children, so today we'll start with our class. For the portions I have sent, isn't it? For the trial as well as the original periodic test, you will have the portions, 2 chapters you will have to study. That is chapter 5. Okay.
This original periodic test is
Yes, yes.
original periodic test is MC.
Next week, next week.
It will be like
Hello, speakers you switch off. Next week you will have the original periodic test. Okay.
ma'am, original periodic test will
Next
be
week.
question answers. No.
No. Only like this objective type, but you will have to write the descriptive answers and find the answer. Then only you can click the option. Such questions will be there in max. Okay, that's why 30 minutes is given. You have to solve the problem and find the answer. Then only you can click the option. Such questions will be there. Objective type only will come, but it will be, you have to work on it like that. Okay. So it's a practice. Once more, if possible, I'll do the trial. Then only I'll take it on Thursday. Clear, children? So we will pass on to our topic today. Last day we stopped with the properties of multiplication, isn't it? You remember?
Yes, ma'am.
What are properties we studied for multiplication?
Associative property.
Associative property. Before that, closure property,
Closure
commutative
property,
property,
commutative property, associative property, multiplicative
then
additive, distributive property,
identity, then zero.
distributive.
Okay. Now we shall pass on to division. Division of integers. Division also, it is very easy, like multiplication, same rules as we did in multiplication. In multiplication, we told when two signs come together, same signs come, answer will be always positive. And when different signs come, answer will be always negative. Same way, division also, if a positive number, positive integer is divided by another positive integer, answer is positive. If a negative integer is divided by a negative integer, again answer is positive. That is, quotient is positive. And then again, if a negative integer is divided by positive integer, or positive integer is divided by negative integer, answer will be always negative. That is, quotient will be always negative. Did you understand? Same rules like multiplication. If same signs are divided, we get positive as the answer. Positive is the answer. If different signs are divided, we get negative as the answer. Clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Now we have so only 24 participants are there. What happened? Very less. Okay, so I'll give you the notes about it. You take down the notes, then we can do the problems related to it. Okay. Can you see the board, children? Can you see the
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Now let me erase what is there. Now I'll take the PPT. I'll take it and this is all our scores. minute. I'll take it now. You can see the board now, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes. Just write down these rules. Okay. I have written rules over there, no? Rules I have written. Okay.
Ma'am, in notes.
In notes. Notes in the rough book. Can you see?
You will send it through WhatsApp.
That I'll send, but now take down the rules now. Can you see now properly?
Yes, ma'am.
You can see, no? In a rules.
Yes, ma'am.
Only up to this much you have to write. Only rules. Three rules. Three rules. Write the three rules. What is it? Division of integers rules. When a positive integer is divided by another positive integer, quotient is positive. Write down the rules. You can write fast. Okay. Write it in the rough book. Write fast. Neha, are you writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Finished?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So we have when a positive integer is divided by another positive integer, you get the quotient as positive. Positive 50 divided by positive 5. Answer is positive 10. Again, when a negative integer is divided by another negative integer, quotient is positive. Negative 50 divided by negative 5, answer is positive 10. When a negative integer is divided by a positive integer or vice versa, quotient is negative. See, negative 50 divided by positive 5, answer you got negative 10. Clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I'll give some problems, try to do it. Okay, so just try these problems. Negative 50 divided by negative 10. What is the answer? What is the answer?
Positive 5.
Positive
5.
positive 5. Next, positive 20 divided by negative 2. What is the answer?
Negative 10.
Others, only Gopika Shankar is answering. I want others.
Negative 10.
Answer is negative 10.
Negative 10.
Positive 30 divided by positive 5. Answer?
Positive 6.
Positive
Positive 6.
Negative 100 divided by positive 5. Answer?
Negative 20.
How much?
Negative 20.
20.
Negative 20. Okay. Now, clear all of you division?
Yes, ma'am.
Division
Yes,
is clear.
ma'am.
Same rule as multiplication. Okay. So, we can write negative, we can write it like this. Negative by negative. Okay. Answer will be positive. Positive by positive. Answer will be positive. Now, negative by positive. Answer is negative. Positive by negative. Answer is negative. Is it clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Agash, where are you looking? Agash, where are you looking? Are you looking into the book and writing? No?
Yes, ma'am.
You are listening
Yes,
from
ma'am.
parents. Hmm?
No, ma'am.
Ah,
No,
I,
ma'am.
I can see you. Full screen, you are there. Okay.
Okay,
Wherever you see, I can note. Huh? Write
okay, ma'am.
down. Okay. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Baja, Sneha, Soni, Jonal, Joseph. Yes. This Effins, can you understand anything? Hmm? Okay. Yes. Manuel, are you doing? Manuel, no answer. Please answer me. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Ah, okay, good. Okay, so you can write down if you want as a clue or you can as a rule. These are the rules which we follow. Okay, keep it in mind. Hmm? Okay, so that is about division. Now let us just revise what about properties? Just discuss about properties. What can you say about the properties of division of integers? What can you say about it? We know closure property, commutative property, associative property, etc. So we shall discuss about it. What about closure property? When you divide an integer with another integer, will you get the quotient or answer as integer itself?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Think. Simply don't say yes. You are dividing an integer with another integer. Are you sure that you will get only integer as answer?
No. Ma'am. No,
Look,
ma'am.
look.
No, ma'am.
Okay,
No, ma'am.
Sometimes we
negative
get
20.
zero.
Wait,
Sometimes we get
negative 20 divided by negative 5. What is the answer? What is the answer?
negative 4.
Positive.
54.
Okay,
Negative
negative 20 is an integer, negative 5 is an integer, positive 4 is also an integer. Okay,
Integer.
agreed. Huh?
Yes,
But
ma'am.
when you take this one, you just see this question I am giving. Okay, 9 divided by 8. Hmm? Will you get an integer as answer when you divide? What is
No.
No,
9
ma'am.
divided by 8? 8 ones are 8. Balance again 1 will come. Isn't it?
No, ma'am.
Huh?
No, ma'am.
So we cannot get, or if you take 11 divided by 2, sorry, we'll take another number. Again, I'll take another number and see. We will rub this, we'll take another number. Okay, so we'll take 30. Okay, 30 divided by 4. What is the answer? 30 divided by 4. Huh? How much time maximum it will go?
7.
7 times. 4 sevens are 28, isn't it? Balance we got 2, isn't it? So how will you write the answer? 4 and 2 by 7. Is it an integer?
No, ma'am.
No,
No,
it's
ma'am.
not an integer, isn't it? So it's in a form mixed fraction. It's not an integer. So we cannot say that when you divide an integer with another integer, always you will get an integer as a quotient or answer. So are they closed under division?
No.
No,
No.
ma'am.
No. We cannot say that integers are closed under division. No. They are not closed under division. Okay. So we understood that they are not closed under division. Now we don't want to write this because it won't satisfy with any of the conditions. Okay. So closure property, no. It's not closed under division. Now let us check the next property. What is it? Commutative property. Commutative property. Is it correct that A divided by B will be equal to B divided by A? Is it true?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No. Isn't it? Suppose we 8 divided by 4. is it is equal to how much? 2. 4 divided by 8. What is the answer? It is 1 by 2, right? Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
So we cannot say that A divided by B is not equal to B divided by C. We cannot say that it is equal. They are not equal. So we can say that they are not commutative. Isn't it? Division of integers are not commutative. Are not commutative. Now, another one, what is the associativity? No need to check associativity. If commutativity is not there, associativity also will not be there. Then what about division by 0? Division by 0. Let us take division by 0. 5 divided by 0. Can we divide any number by 0?
No, ma'am.
0 into
No,
what is
ma'am.
5? 0 into what is divided? No. Isn't it? 0 into any number will make it 0. So
Zero.
we cannot divide any number by 0. So we write that division by 0 is not defined. Division by 0
It's not defined.
is not defined. Not defined. We say that division by 0 is not defined. Clear? What about can we divide 0 by any number? Can we divide 0 by any number? Have you thought of it? Can you divide 0 by any number? 0 by 3. What is the answer?
0.
Zero.
0. Because 3 into 0 will make 0. Isn't it? 3 into 0 is 0.
Zero.
So we can say that any 0 can be divided by any number. But it cannot be any no number can be divided by 0. Clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
No need to write notes for it. It is just understand all those things. That's all. Okay. Just understand that properties we cannot are not at all suitable for these integers. Division of integers. Not suitable for division of integers. Clear? Okay. So we'll do
ma'am.
some more problems. We'll do some problems including division. Then we'll pass on to the next one. Next period we'll pass on to the next property, next problems. Now I'll give you 3 problems. Try to do it. First one is this: 13 divided by -2 plus +1. Find out the answer.
Ma'am, it's -13.
Answer is -13. Good. Good. Who got the answer? Is it Gobika?
Amrita.
Gobika Shankar.
No, ma'am, Amrita.
Amrita. Very good. Very good. Amrita. People's voice seems to be same. Huh? That's why. Amrita, good. Others, just check whether you're getting. Other class students are entering so early. What's the time given to you? It's 50, right?
-13.
Two?
-13.
Answer is -13.
-13.
Answer is -13, isn't it? So how we will see 13 divided by, what is the answer here? First we will do this. What is it? You have to do the what is inside the bracket first.
Bracket.
-1.
Negative
Isn't it?
1.
So 13 divided, positive 13 divided by -1. What is the answer? Negative
13.
Negative 13.
answer. Clear, children?
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Freya, switch on the video.
My video is switched on.
I cannot see here, that's what. Okay. Now next we'll see. Next one. -30. Oh, this ink. Can you see the color?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see? 31 divided by.
It's very dark, ma'am.
Huh?
It's very dark.
Very dark. Okay. So I'll grab. Take another one. So -13, 31 divided by -30 plus -1. Find out.
Ma'am, answer is 1. Positive 1.
Positive 1.
Answer is positive 1.
Positive 1.
Okay, okay, correct. Others, please do it. Karthik, Vinod, do it.
Ma'am, positive 1.
Ma'am, positive one. Positive one.
Positive 1.
Nakul, are you getting?
Ma'am, positive 1.
Okay, correct. Nakul, are you getting the answer?
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
Yes. You got positive 1?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we'll see how it is. Negative 31 divided by, you have to do what is inside the bracket first. 30, negative 30 plus negative 31.
Negative
Answer is
31.
negative 31. Answer is positive 1.
Pos-
Okay. Okay, next question. Next one. Negative 36 divided by 12. Divided by 3. Find out.
Ma'am, negative 1.
Negative one.
Negative 1.
1.
Okay. What about the answers, others? Anna, Binu, did you get the answer?
No, ma'am, I'm doing.
Do it, do it.
Ma'am, negative 1.
Negative 1.
Sneha, did
Ma'am,
you get the answer?
yes, ma'am.
Correct.
Negative one.
Negative 1.
You got Sneha? Answer?
Ma'am,
Okay. Aaron, did you get the answer?
I got a negative 1.
Aaron, got negative 1. Good. What about this Kishan and all? I cannot get any answer. Kishan. Wasim, what happened, Wasim? Wasim.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you here? Did you get the answer? Wasim? Wasim?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you get the answer?
No.
No. Why? Just what is do in the inside a bracket you do first. After that you come to the next one. Okay. That is the way you have to do. See, listen. We have negative 36 divided by 12. Okay. So we'll do it here like this. First do what is inside the bracket. So negative 36 divided by positive 12. What is the answer?
Negative 3.
Negative
Negative
3
3.
divided by. So you came out of the bracket. What is here? Positive 3. Isn't it? So what will be the answer? 3 divided by 3? 1.
Negative 1.
What is the sign? Negative.
Negative 1.
Negative 1.
Negative 1 is the answer. Clear,
Thank you.
children?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear all? Okay. So we'll,
Yes,
one more period is there. Anyway, other students are entering, so I have to wind up. See you. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
Bye,
ma'am.
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
We have one more period today. So we'll meet you that time. Fine. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am.